Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 14th video in Learn Django 2.1. In the previous video we have learned how you can use URL tag for URL linking in Django, and this was from the previous video. If I click on contact, I have my contact page, and if I click on about, I have about page, and if I click on home, I have home page. So in this video I'm going to talk about templates in context, template context. How you can use context and template in Django template. So for example, if you want to pass data from your view functions to the HTML templates, then you can use template context. Let me now show you an example. Open my PyCharm IDE and open my views.py. Now in here, if you remember, I have added a context. It is a dictionary. This context is used for passing data from view function to your HTML templates. Now let me show you an example. I have a text in here. It's a dictionary. A text. Let me bring it in here. Okay. Now I have a text and I'm going to write this text. This is from context. Okay, now if you see, I have added my context and my render in here. Now how you can get or access to this text in your template. For example, I want to access to this text in my about.html, so I'm going to open my about.html, and in here you can use context variable. You can make the context variable by giving two curly brackets like this, and now you can add your context variable in here. My context variable is it is text. Now I'm going to just take the text, and in my home.html, it was home. Where is it? Okay, let me just, in my about, it was in my about. Okay, I want to add this in my home.html, and in here I'm going to add to a context variable, and this is text. Okay, you can simply add text. Now I'm going to save this and refresh my page, my home page. I have an error. Let me just check it. Why? Yeah, now you can see I have this is from context. This is the, it was the data that we have passed from our views function to our context. Now you can add different data in here. For example, if you want to add integer, you can add let me add I can make it my number, and this is for example 4 5 6 7, and also you need to add. Now if you want to get this in your home.html, you can simply write my number. Okay, let me save it, and now I'm going to refresh my page. Now I have received this number in here. So you can do this in your every page. For example, let me open my views.py. For example, I want to get some data in my contact page. So in the context of contact, I want to add some text. Let me write my text. This is from context to the contact page. Let me save it. Now I'm going to open my contact.html, and in here you can add, it was my text, it was my some text, I think. Yeah, some text. Some text. Now save it and refresh your page, and I'm going to do my contact page, and you can see this is from contacts to the context to the contact page. And also, for example, I want to add some more data. I want to add a list, for example. Let me open my views function, and in the contact I want to add a list, so I call it my list. And I want to this list should be some names. I give my name and John, and also do. Okay, now if you want to access this list, you can do this. For example, I'm going to open my contact.html, and you can simply write in here my list, and if I refresh it, let me, I think I save this, and okay, I'm not receiving this list. I don't know why. Let me just check it in my views function. Let me save this, and if I refresh it, my list, oh, I have misspelling. Yeah, now my list. Let me refresh this. Now, yeah, okay, now you can see I have this this volume here, these names, but it is a list. So how you can get these names? For example, you want to receive these names in a UL tag or LI tag. So in the next video I will show you this, and we will learn about for loops in Django. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, please subscribe to my channel.